Hi, Jack.
Cool place.
Welcome to the North Pole.
Come again?
Last night, Red One, also known as St. Nicholas of Myra, was abducted.
Are you saying Santa Claus has been kidnapped?
You're the best tracker in the world. You're gonna help us find him.
I work alone. You used to. I'm not gonna like you. I can tell right away. Out of everyone here, I like you the least. Garcia?
What the hell?
Shall we do the thing? I'm afraid we're gonna have to.
You're mine until we find him.
Oh, God.
I suggest you get going.
Claus!
We doing some last-minute Christmas shopping?
Toy stores.
Toy stores what?
The supply closets are portal stations for the North Pole transit system. Grab a car. We're gearing up.
How did...
I adjusted its reality.
And does that...
No, it doesn't work on everything. No, you can't try it. No, you can't drive. No more questions. Now get in. Whoever took Nick. They're extremely dangerous.
With a tail as big as a kite.
I think if you don't need me here, I might just go back to the car.
We are 24 hours to Christmas.
We need to find it. Let's save Christmas. Say it.
I'm not gonna say that.
Things are about to get real. Cover us. We got snowmen!
Well, it was nice to meet you, Cal. Good luck with everything.
Hey, Benny! Let's go home. Come on. Let's go.
Dad, why are you in such a good mood?
We're told. This drug toad's gonna pay for everything.
It's not all these crazy schemes that come to nothing. I wanna come.
Oh, you're not coming. Go home.
I'm burned. Who are you?
It's none of your business. I don't care about your dream.
What do you mean you don't care about my dream? You don't care who you love. You're used to sorting it, aren't you? Taking care of things yourself. You don't care who you love. It's beautiful, isn't it?
What is?
The day. Who you love, who you love.
おじいさん、あの猫何なんですか？
あんずちゃん？
でも変ですよね。人間みたいに喋ってる。
あんずちゃんはタケノコだからね。発射！やったー！
年は
37です。めんどくせえガキだな。
こんな夜中に何やってんの？
宴会。かりんちゃんから預かってたバイト代全部使っちゃったんだよね。
はあ？何に使ったの？
パチンコ。
camera takes movies, right?
Yeah, Nathan.
You know, Ilan, I feel it's a great honor that you take a movie of me. I'm not really a big, great artist. I'm a memory man, you know.
Attention.
You may not believe this. Here you have these Nazis. They helped Hitler kill 6 million Jews in the Holocaust. And I, a Jew, I helped punish them. It's a quirk of history.
I think he's amazed at his own life and is impelled to create a visual memoir. These are artifacts as far as I'm concerned. Another way of understanding the personal story of an artist.
You talk to Nathan-ism, the artist, but to be an artist, you have to see things. I've seen some amazing things, better than any writer could think of. You got that so far?
Was Adam, also known as Hippo. The girl was known as Buttercup.
Call me Daddy before you hang up. Please, just once.
My dad's about dead.
Their mother is a peculiar woman named Ethel.
When do you think World War III is gonna happen?
It's hard to say, dear.
You think it might be in my lifetime?
I suppose it could.
Okay, I need a gun.
As homeschooled students, neither Buttercup nor Hippo ever had much interaction outside of one another.
That toy is an outside toy.
It's not a toy, it's a
Okay,
gun.
outside. There comes a time in every boy's life when he wakes up in a puddle of goo.
Goo?
Goo. Very sticky, I might add.
War is a game. Don't be fooled by simulation theory, however.
True warrior.
If you want to stay in here with me, I'm a big man now. I'm 19. You have to legally respect me. It says so in the Constitution.
Everybody respects you. We all respect you.
You are a firebird.
They've arrived. Quick, go get to the nearest closet and I'll go get my crossbow.
No. The crossbow will never work, you know that. You need the most powerful thing in the world.
My god finger.
Shut your mouth, I said! Why do you look so sad? You should be happy.
A star dies every millisecond, but only once in a millennium does a deity rise up with a potent mega weapon attached to his own hips.
I hope you find a man just like your brother.
Let us bear humble witness.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hippo. Happy birthday to you.
ചേച്ചി ഞാൻ
ഇറങ്ങിക്കോ. വീട്ടിൽ കാണാം.
സിസ്റ്ററിന്റെ റൂംമേറ്റിനെ ഈടായിട്ട് എന്തൊക്കെയോ ഒരു മാറ്റം ഉണ്ടല്ലോ. ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചായിരുന്നു. അവളൊരു പയ്യനുമായിട്ട് ഇഷ്ടത്തില്ല. ഇത് പ്രവേശിക്കാണല്ലോ. ഇതിപ്പോ ആരയക്കാനാ? ഒന്നും കാണുന്നില്ല. ഇതിലെന്തോ ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. मेड इन जर्मनी. प्रभु चेची हस्बैंड अवड़े लास्ट टाइम कभी फोन किया था उसने? 1 साल से ऊपर हो गए. ചേച്ചിക്ക് ആളെ നേരത്തെ അറിയായിരുന്നു?
തീരെ അറിയത്തില്ലായിരുന്നു. ഒരു ദിവസം അച്ഛൻ വിളിച്ച് വെച്ച് വീട്ടിലോട്ട് വരാൻ പറഞ്ഞു. ഞാൻ ചെന്നപ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് അവർ കല്യാണമൊക്കെ നിശ്ചയിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞായിരുന്നു.
കൊട്ടും അറിയാത്ത ഒരാളെ എങ്ങനെയാ കല്യാണം കഴിക്കാം? കൊണ്ടൊന്നും പറ്റുമെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നില്ല. അതിനെന്റെ മോനെ രാത്രി വരെ കാത്തിരിക്കേണ്ടി വരും.
പക്ഷേ തൽക്കാലത്തേക്ക് ഞാൻ ഈ മേഘത്തിൻ്റെ കയ്യിൽ വെച്ച് ഉമ്മ കൊടുത്തിട്ടാലോ? ഈ ഭാവിയെ പറ്റി ചിന്തിക്കാറുണ്ടോ? ആൾക്കാരെ നമുക്കറിയാം തോന്നുന്നു, പക്ഷെ നമ്മൾ നല്ലതാവാൻ വലിയ സമയമൊന്നും വേണം.
She was just an explosion of creativity.
I'm not going to be discovered artistically until after I'm gone. My name is Allee Willis. I have filmed my life since 1978. I've always known that my final art piece would be someone putting together the trail I've left behind. This is one of the greatest spaces in the house.
Allee was a genius.
She sold over 60 million records.
She's damn near written half my memory.
Yeah. I'm the world's best kept secret.
That just set the tone for that show and for a generation.
Allee drew all these incredibly creative people to her. Parties were art to her.
You have to meet this woman. She has bowling balls sunk in her front lawn.
She was an artist.
Art director, set designer.
She had an early presence on the internet.
Art, music, and technology. Every breath was a creative idea.
I always knew that in the end, I wouldn't let myself down and destroy everything.
A lot of Allee stayed hidden.
She was very lonely.
The world she was presenting was against what she'd really experienced. It's a constant struggle to maintain belief in yourself.
I don't think people realize how she touched their lives.
She always wanted people to know their own brilliance and creativity.
Allie's pushing you to be your best and to see the world differently.
Allee is orchestrating all of this from above.